Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, a long time no talk. Now I'm sure a lot of you are aware that I just got my teeth done. Hi! You can see my teeth now. Who ever thought that you'd be able to see my teeth? Now, so these are my new teeth. Hi! Aren't they fucking cool? Literally having teeth is fantastic. Like, I can't believe, I cannot get over how much this has boosted my overall confidence. Like, I was never really like worried about them, but that's because you couldn't see them. So now that you can see them, I don't know, I just feel so different. I feel so much more confident and better. And I never knew that getting my teeth done was actually going to, you know, boost my confidence or whatever. But it has. So in today's video, this is actually going to be like kind of a vlog, and I'm just sitting here chatting about it for, you know, 2 seconds, and then I'll get straight into the vlog. Basically, I went down to Melbourne and I was there for about a week, and I got my teeth done with Dr. D at Vogue Dental Studios. I got my top row done there, Picasso porcelain veneers. There's 12 of them all across the top. They're currently making my bottom set at the moment because I'm going to get my bottoms done as well. So I have a nice big mouth full of porcelain. Yes, that is just how I like it. Dr. D has literally changed my life for the better. I'm so fucking excited. I'm so happy. I'm just a completely new person, to be honest. I'm a completely new person and I'm so happy. I can literally go on about it for ages. I'm just so fucking happy. Anyway, I'm going to be leaving all information about Dr. D and Vogue Dental Studios down below if you are interested in inquiring about getting some, you know, teeth work done, or just even like a really good dentist. Go there. He is located in Melbourne, and he is going to be my new dentist for the rest of my life because he's literally amazing and it's worth the flight down from Brisbane to Melbourne. Anyway, let's get straight into this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's more of like an educational sort of vlog, but it just kind of makes you understand how my veneers were put on, how they were made. It takes you behind the scenes. There's like 3D printers and shit. It's pretty fucking cool. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. At the moment I'm in Melbourne and I'm actually getting my teeth done at the moment. I'm currently just with Shani, and Shani's going through a lot at the moment. She's actually moving back to Brisbane.
Not going through a lot. Don't fucking sad sack. I'm happy.
I meant going through a lot as in she's got a lot going on.
Yeah, like a lot of packing and stuff to do. So
yeah.
He's here at the best time. He hasn't come in 6 months. Now he's just gonna pop on in because he needs a bed to sleep in.
Yep, just exactly like the amount of times that Shani comes to my house to visit her family and uses my car every 2 weeks. So let's just leave it at that. Went there this morning. I didn't vlog this morning because it was so early when I went there, but basically I just got a scan done, and then today I'm going to get my, what are they called? Temporary teeth put on this afternoon.
Temporary teeth are the ones that you have on before you get your veneers while they're making the veneers. So they'll look similar, but they won't look exactly the same. But you'll get an idea of what they're going to look like, but they'll be more bulky than your actual veneers. Yeah. So it'll be exciting to see what they look like.
Yeah, I'm so excited. And we're also wearing, well, I'm wearing Cardi B merch because we're celebrating, Press is coming out today at, what time? 4 o'clock Australian time, because that's midnight their time. So I'm really excited for Cardi B's new song. So I'm rocking her merch because I'm literally the biggest fucking Cardi B stan you could ever imagine.
Literally.
The biggest fan. I'm the biggest fangirl of her.
Yes.
So guys, we're just heading back to Shani's now, and then I've got to go into the city to get my teeth put on, and I'll talk more about that when I'm there and go through some things so I can show you guys the whole process of how it works, if it's painful, and just like, yeah, how it all works. Benny, come here. Benny. Oh my god, you just did that yourself. Okay, wait, Benny, let's do a Q&A for everyone because I know they have a lot of questions for us and our relationship and how it all goes. Q&A time, Ben. Do you have anything to say? Ben, look at her legs, you guys. They're like full, like feta cheesy because she's been out in the rain. How do you feel? Kiss, ready? 3, up, here it comes. Hi. Guys, I love dogs. The bestest dogs in the world, aren't they? Yeah. Hi. Oh. Biggest sneezes. So guys, we're just at the, where are we?
At Vogue Dental Studios.
Absolutely. And what are we going to get done right now?
We're just going to make Michael's teeth look awesome.
Okay.
We're actually starting to do some temporary veneers. We've designed a new smile for him, which is the first prototype smile. So basically we're going to sit that on top of Michael's teeth to check how it's going to look like, and any changes from there, that's the first step. So then we can see it on him so he can vlog and he can look at his own videos and check that out and tell me what I need to do. He's going to tell me my job.
Absolutely. So guys, these teeth that I'm getting put on now, they're not like the official like finished ones. They're just like temporary to see how we go with them, shape, color, like all that sort of stuff. And then in a couple of days I'll come back and get the real things put on.
A week from now.
A week from now. A week from now, yeah. Okay guys, so just a little update. I've got temporary on my tops at the moment and I'm obsessed with them, but they're getting made right now. We're gonna do a second set of temporary teeth. They're a bit longer and like a bit bigger, like just gonna like make my smile a bit better. So we're gonna go between the two, see which ones I like more, and then I'll wear them for like 5 or so days before I get the real veneers put on. This is what they look like. But we're taking these off and putting other ones on because they're a bit bigger, because we think that's what it needs. So cute, hey, you can actually see my teeth. Hi everyone. Try don't have a double chin and film whatever you want. Okay, me trying to eat. I can suck these.
Yeah. Oh my god, I do not miss that.
What are you eating?
Kiwi fruit, but it's golden.
It's what?
Golden?
Why are you eating off kiwi fruit, you weird bitch?
I think it is. It tastes off to me, but...
Oh my god, look. Watch this. Sweet potato fry.
You're sucking it like a dick.
I'm not. Yeah, I've not seen me suck a dick.
If you keep bringing unhealthy food in my house, I'm literally going to kick you out.
Are you fucking kidding? You're the one who's eating it, slut.
Exactly, that's the point.
Okay, well you had an option to eat it or not to eat it, and you're eating it.
You got fries this morning. You brought fries here. You know fries are my biggest weakness.
I didn't ask for those fries there, and I didn't ask for the ones this morning. I thought the ones this morning was fucking bread, cunt.
You're wrong.
I'm trying to eat, but I can't because I don't want to chip any of the front teeth things here. And they've changed my bite, so now my front teeth go over my bottom teeth instead of behind them. So it's literally impossible to eat. So I just ordered a royal pearl milk tea, like a massive size, to like have for dinner. And I'm just trying to work out what else I can do because I'm sick of sucking food like it's a dick. Literally, you don't get any taste. It just goes straight down the throat, which is like kind of fun, but like not.
Several days later.
Alright, hey guys. So the last time I was vlogging, I think I was talking about, I'm not sure what I was talking about, but I'm pretty sure I was talking about having my temporary teeth on. So I took my temporary teeth off yesterday because I'm getting my real ones put on today. So basically the reason why I took them off is because they were just shooting me up the wall and I was like biting my nail and it like chipped and it just fucked the whole thing. So I just pulled it all off because the temporary teeth, which like they're just resin anyway, they're just plastic and they can come off, but you're meant to keep them on until you get your real teeth put on, just so you can get used to the feeling of it and everything like that. It's not really that much of a big deal. I am now going to get my real teeth put on today. I'm going to be in there for about 4 or 5 hours, which scares me because I'm just very impatient and really like things to be done very quick. That's not how this is going to be. This is going to be very different and I'm going to have to sit there for 4 to 5 hours with my fucking chops open like this. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm just being a pussy because like I'm getting like really fucking lip teeth at the end of the day. I just got to my room. I'm staying at Crown. I'm just here by myself, you know, because I have no friends. And yeah, I'm just chilling. Hello? Oh, well, I just ordered some room service. I got some oysters and the Nobu bento box. But the Nobu bento box is not available until after 12 o'clock and it's only 11:30. But this bitch is hungry. Oh, by the way, I got a tattoo. It's so cool. Can you guys see that? That is my birthday. Well, the year that I was born, 1996, in Roman numerals. I'm currently just at Dr. D's office and these are my top set of teeth. What does that do? Oh, I see. I didn't even know that was a thing. So this was my original teeth here. This is a mold of my original teeth. I know, rank. And then this is the new ones here. So they're obviously a lot bigger and better. And you can see them a lot more. Yuck. Guys, I know this is fucked and I know people are gonna make memes out of this, but this is my normal length of tooth. Nothing's been like shaven off this at all. Wait, oh, it's falling off too. So this is how much longer they are. I can't believe I'm doing this.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh my god. They are fucking beautiful. How good are they? Oh my god, they look so good. They're literally perfect. How good? You're a legend. Fuck yes. That's awesome.
You can't stop looking at them.
I know, they're so good. Alright guys, so I just got my teeth put on by this legend. I'm talking a little bit weird at the moment just because...
We just got out of the chair.
Yeah, I literally just got out of the chair, so...
That's cool. And you're not wonky smile as well because we didn't have to numb you up.
I know, how good is that?
You got lucky there.
Thank God, no needles.
No, he was a good patient.
Alright guys, so I'm just in the office right now, back with Dr. D, and what are we doing today?
We're just gonna check out your bite, make sure you're able to chew on both sides, and you're not lisping, so it looks like we've got pretty much everything close, but there's a lot of change. You're gonna hate me so much when you try and put your food in there, but it's worth the pain, I guess. What do you think?
100%.
Yeah?
I have teeth. Yay. That's all that matters. Okay guys, so that is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave your opinions on my new teeth down below because I would like to know your opinions. But if they're really, really, really negative, I don't really want to know your opinion. But if they're like constructive, but whatever, just let me know down below. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye! Fucking see ya! Ew!